We're getting new details about what Buffalo leaders learned from a task force created to analyze what went right and what went wrong during the Buffalo blizzard.
News 4's Patrick Ryan is here to break down those details for us tonight. Patrick?
Don and Jackie, the mayor and storm response task force shared their recommendations for better communication, equipment, and life-saving measures. It comes after the deadly December blizzard that put the city's response under harsh criticism. The task force formed after that storm. It's made up of local leaders, business owners, and community groups. Many residents lost power and heat during the Christmas blizzard and were left stranded. In response, the mayor says in major storms, at least one emergency shelter will be open in each common council district with backup generators. Now, when it comes to equipment, the city says they already have 6 additional plows on loan from the Thruway Authority and will take delivery on 4 new plows by the end of the year.
With all 10 coming in, those 4 are expected by the end of the year, 54 between plows and high lifts. Those major snow moving types of equipment. We have other miscellaneous equipment, but those are the ones that are on the streets moving it.
If a storm like that is coming, you will hear words from us like life-threatening. Going out in the storm can result in death. What we saw last year was, unfortunately, there were people that did not take the guidance and the warning that was put out seriously.
Mayor Brown there touching on a big part of storm preparation, communication. The city intends on using the integrated public alert and warning system. That's similar to Amber Alerts. The technology allows emergency notifications to immediately be pushed to cell phones. Now, coming up on News 4 at 6, hear how National Grid plans to keep their equipment from failing during extreme storms. Patrick Ryan, News 4.